Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of 5 with Mr. Graham. Today we're going to talk about formulating a survey question and collecting and organizing results. It's statistics, kids. Let's full screen real quick and we will start the timer and try to learn something or review something meaningful without wasting too much time. Here we go. The first thing you have to know is what is a survey question, or what kind of survey question do we need? In this case, we could really use something that has a number answer, as you can see right here, and something we can get a variety of answers for. So what I mean by that, for example, is, I don't know, how many times have you been to a school dance? How about that one? How about that one? And that'll be a number answer, like, I've been to 2 school dances, or 3 or 4, or, I've been to 0, oh no. But that would be a pretty good example of a survey question, and hopefully it's something that you would get a variety of answers for. Let's move on and actually ask our question. See, here we have the Avengers, cool guys, and here we have the Justice League, a whole bunch of superheroes. I'm a superhero fan. And we're going to ask them the question that we just made a second ago. How many times have you gone to a school dance? And as you can see, we've made this table right here. We have our question and all the possible answers down below. And then we have our results, and that's where we're going to keep track of who actually answers a what for what. So let's pretend we asked Black Widow, that's her name, and we said, okay, how many times have you been to a school dance? And she says, 2. So we make a mark for 2. Then we ask Nick Fury, how many times have you been to a school dance? 4 times. Okay, good, 4 times. And how about Iron Man? Iron Man says he's been to 6 school dances. He loves to dance. And the Incredible Hulk, he says he's been to 0. He doesn't like to dance. Captain America doesn't mind dancing. He says, I've been to 2. Alright, another 2. Thor says, I've been to 5 school dances. I enjoy them. Good for you, Thor. And then Hawkeye over here, he says he's been to 3. So we're keeping track, and we've got a variety of answers, and we're keeping track. We've noticed that there is one instance where we had 2 people both go to 2 school dances. Let's ask the Martian Manhunter. He's been to 5. The Green Lantern says he's been to 3. Superman says he's been to 4. Batman's too serious to go to school dances, so he only went to 0. The Flash loves him. He's been to 7. And Hawk Girl, she says she's also been to 5. And so after we ask all these people, we're being very careful, we're being very certain that after each person we ask, we are tracking that data. We are marking the results. You'll notice that every time I pretended to ask one of these superheroes, I marked it right here in the results column. And as you can see, 2 people have gone to 0 dances. Nobody picked 1. 2 people have gone to 2 dances. 2 people have gone to 3 dances. 2 people have gone to 4 dances. 3 people have gone to 5 dances. 1 person went to 6. And 1 person went to 7. And what I could do with this information is, if I wanted to, I could create a data set, which I'll do down here below the superheroes. Data set. And as you can see, what do I have in my data set? Well, I have 2 zeros. Let me rewrite that. 2 zeros. No 1s, but I have 2 2s. 2 3s. Looks like I'm going to need more, some more room here. Let me just drag that over a teeny bit. Move some stuff real quick. Sorry about that. After the 2 3s, I've got 2 4s. 3 5s, 1 6, and 1 7. Ran out of space, but you can see it right there down below. And when you ask all your people, in this case it was imaginary superheroes, but you can ask real people like your classmates or other people at school, your parents or friends or whatever. And you want to make sure that you track the data very carefully in a table like you see here. And after you've asked your people and have tracked your data, you can make a data set. And you'll notice in your data set, you mark or you write down every single answer that you recorded. So I recorded 2 zeros, so there is 2 zeros. I recorded 2 twos, so there is 2 twos, and so on and so forth. You won't find any ones in my data set because no one picked one. And you'll only find 1 6 and 1 7 because only one person picked 6, only one person picked 7. You will find 3 5s because 3 people picked 5. And it's important that you create a data set, and you'll find out soon when we start calculating things like mean, median, mode, and range. But that's for another time. As you heard a moment ago, the timer has gone off. Thank you for joining me, 5 minutes a gram. I hope you learned something. Thanks, guys. Bye.